So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Sanath and he is upcoming SD intern at Uber, and currently he is in third year in NIT Warangal from computer science background, right?
Yes,
Computer
yes.
science. Okay, BTech CSE. And let's get started. Let's try to understand how he prepare in his college day, and till now he's 1890 rating on a CodeSafe, and at Codeforce he has an expert, and he also like participated in lots of coding contest and all. And like frankly speaking, he just told me that he has a zero knowledge in a development, still he got the SD role in Uber. So I'm really excited to know how can we crack the SD intern role without knowing development.
Myself Sanath Kumar, and I am currently studying third year in NIT Warangal. I have cracked internet Uber. Like a few days ago, I got offer from Uber. Like I have Prakash bro said, I have zero knowledge on development. I have completely focused on competitive programming only, and I have practiced a lot of questions on code forces only rather than lead code and code stuff. Like my complete target was to gain knowledge from code forces only. Like in the first year, like it was chill out time for me, and in second year, like after lockdown, like in lockdown, I want to explore all the different technologies like web technology and machine learning. Like I have studied one, like I have took a course and done web technologies, but not that depth. Like only the basics part I have learned. Did not do any project based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then I switched to machine learning because I thought I didn't get so much interest on web technologies, so I switched to machine learning. Like I have done 1 year, I guess. Like I took a course, like something on some platform. I took a course and studied machine learning and done quite good number of projects. And then I came to know about this competitive programming and coding part and data structures part, like from my friends, and I started immediately. Like I guess I've started in February. In February, I've started giving my first contest in code courses and code chef. Like from there, my journey started. Like every day, I used to practice a lot. Like doing, like my target was when starting in February. Like I have seen some roadmaps and all the, like what all the beginners should do. I have done that. Like I've promised myself that I should do at least one problem every day. Like be patient and being consistent is the key for a best competitive programmer. So I promised for myself to be patient and for being consistent. Like from that day, almost I've done at least two to three problems every day, and I was I've also been patient if my rating is decreasing. Like I didn't took much care about that because my main priority was to get knowledge. So I didn't focus on writing that much. Like okay, in like one to two cases, I felt bad, but just overcome that in within few minutes. Like Uber came to my campus on August, and I cleared voting, and I have gave interviews also. Like within 1 2 days, I got an offer.
Okay, so
This
like
was
before joining the NIT, okay, so do you have any prior knowledge of coding and all, or programming background?
no, like I didn't have any programming background. Like until 12th, I was preparing for JEE only. Like
Okay.
in the holidays part, I guess 1 month. I guess 1 month, within less than 1 month, 20 days. I guess. In that 20 days, I have learned basic C programming. Basic, like what is the syntax and what is for loop, what is while loop. Like basic part, I have learned. That's it. And I've not seen.
So
Like
which one is
directly I've not seen.
which one is the first programming language that you learned? Like C, after that, like for the CP, I think you use C++,
C++.
C++. Okay,
Yes.
maximum coder use C++.
Coders.
Yes,
C++.
yes, yes. So how was the process in Uber? Like that one is on campus, right? So you have not to
Okay.
like worry about anything like reaching out to HR and all, right? We
No,
only
no, no.
we
That
only we only deal with these things. Okay, so yeah. So what is the like process? First one is a QA round, then interview and all, right? So
like
you will
the
elaborate that
process
part.
of yes, yes. Like the first part was online test. Like there was 3 questions. I don't remember exactly the question. Like first question was something like number system question, and second and third questions are purely dynamic programming. And I've done 2.5. Like I've done first 2 questions, and the third question I have done like partial. Like I guess 80% of the test cases are passed, 80 or 90%. Like I was selected for the interview.
Okay, so
The,
what is the duration of the test? Like you have a 3 question. That
like
one is a
1 hour, like 1 hour test. It was 1 hour
okay.
test, and
What is the
we'll be
label?
having some test cases.
Okay, what is the label of questions? Like let's compare with the lead code questions. So the label of question is
Okay, like first one was like easy to medium,
okay.
and the second and third are like medium. Like if you know the dynamic programming concept, like we may get it. Like medium, like above medium, like that.
Yeah, above medium and less than hard, right? Because you have
Yeah,
yeah, because we have only 1 hour, so that's why I'm saying. But
yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
okay. So after
And
that, like after solving 2.5 question, you are able to get the interview call, right?
interview one is like coding around. Like one problem will be given, and we need to code that solution, like code that question. Like that question was a linked list question.
Okay.
Like I managed to write the code also for that, like a recursive code. Like
Okay.
it was a 45 minutes duration.
Okay. The one question 45 minutes, right?
Like one question, 45 minutes.
Okay. Means like we have to before writing the code, we also have to explain and all these things. So
Like
that's why
yes, yes,
yes, that's why
yes.
the time is
That's why that the time was 45 minutes. Like we need to explain our approach, and then we need to write the code. Like I have cleared interview one.
okay.
Like since I have written completely complete code, and I have executed it also, like it was working fine.
So
So like within 1 2 hours, I got second interview call.
same day.
Like same day. Like all the interviews are were on same day. Interview one, interview two, and interview three.
Okay.
All are on the same day, and for the first interview, 10 were shortlisted, and for the second interview, 5 were shortlisted. 5, like half of them were rejected.
Okay.
And in the second interview, it was a it was also a coding round only, like that, like technical one.
Okay.
It
Second round
was
is
a
also like
3 question.
DSA round, right?
DSA, like yes, DSA round. Like it was a 3 question asked, like
Okay.
interviewer asked a 3 question. Like
So
he divided that question into 2 parts. So I like coded for both the parts. That was also like 45 minutes.
okay.
Like 45 minutes, and I managed to do both the parts. And 3 were shortlisted to HR.
Okay. So after
Just
HR round, how many are shortlisted?
after HR round, only 2 are shortlisted.
Two, right? Including you,
Like
right? The label of
yes, it was
question is good, like better than Amazon questions.
yes,
I'm
because
sure.
Amazon were directly from Greeks for Greeks.
Yes, yes.
Like and Uber is one of the most successful startup also. Like at present, it is the most successful startup combined to all the startups.
Yes.
And its difficulty is also not that easy. Like,
Yeah, I know. Like the level of question is good.
Like questions are good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like
Yeah.
HR round was also very friendly round. Like we were discussing, like HR and I was discussing about the past life, like
College life.
what like college lives and some stories. Like it was very funny and uh, not anything related to this
Oh,
subject. Like only the thing we have discussed is about my project. That's it, and everything was totally chill. Like HR round was the best round out of
okay.
them.
In technical round, there is any question apart from a DSA like OOPS concept or a SQL or anything? I think
No, no,
till
no,
now you do not have any like DBMS and all in your college subject,
no,
right?
no. Like like in college they were covered. Like OOPS, DBMS are covered, but Uber did not ask any questions on core
Okay.
subjects.
Okay. Totally DSA round.
Like purely coding and DSA.
Okay, got it. So apart from that, I just want to know that whether you are a part of any coding club in your college or what. Like,
No, no, no. Like I was very introvert and I did not join any clubs and like
okay.
like I have my own world.
But now after this
Like
interview, your introvert is going to out and you will going to join some club. I will suggest
hope
you that
so.
join as much as club you want. Okay, and
Yes, yes. That will complete my college life. Like without
yes,
those,
yes,
my college life will be
yes,
incomplete.
yes, yes. That's what I have. If you want to give some tips to your junior, the one who is just joined the college or who are willing to join the college, or the one who is preparing your like what I say classmate, second year or third year people who is just joining, preparing for the internship and all. Or maybe your
Like
tips will be helpful for us as well. That we are preparing for some other good company or trying to switch right to Uber
like
and all.
I have analyzed so much on this, how to get an internship offer, like what are the requisites, and like I have done some kind of work by seeing all the like video tutorials and all the reading all the works. Like I've got some experience. Like what was my experience was there were two ways. Let's say like way one is to do competitive programming,
Okay.
and way two is learning pure DSA, like doing questions in lead code. Like lead code contains pure DSA questions. Like I guess, like I
Yes,
wonder
yes.
to crack any company, like we can follow two procedures. Like one was performing way one 90 percentage and way two 10 percentage. Like doing most of the time competitive programming and doing giving less time to for the questions in lead code. Because like why I'm not saying 100% competitive programming is like in interview they will ask to optimize the space complexity, like where in competitive programming like it doesn't require that much, like
Yes. Good.
writing any one approach is sufficient, like but in interview we need to optimize space complexity sometimes, and we need to optimize the time complexity further. So for that we need to do some lead code questions.
Yes, or maybe
Like
maybe interviewer do not like the recursive approach, but like
yes, yes,
for the DP or they want to bottom up or maybe
like
like
they
depends,
want,
right?
yes it
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So so to cover that part we need to do 10 percentage way two, like doing some problems in lead code, and way two was like vice versa, like 90 percentage lead code, like 90 percentage learning through DSA and 10 percentage competitive programming. This is because like to get familiarized with online contests we need to do some like we need to participate in some contests, like doing 10 percentage competitive programming.
Okay.
So if you follow any of this, like any of this way, like 90 percentage competitive programming and 10 percentage pure DSA, or 90 percentage pure DSA and 10 percentage competitive programming, like it is very easy to crack an intern. Like it's not a big deal also. Like only thing is being patient and being consistent is the key. That's it. Like that was my experience.
Hope juniors and like as well as the fresher who is preparing for the campus or placements, as well as the person like me or an experienced person. I learned a lot from you, and your experience. Thanks, Shanath.